Hi, I just finished a great workout and I'm now heading over to my kitchen. Let's see what I'm making for lunch. Okay, so in my fridge I found some chana which I had pressure cooked. So what I did is I chopped up my little kale. If you don't have kale and you have any other type of herbs that can work, as well as spinach or perhaps broccoli, pak choy, any of those things would work. I had some little celery. I just chopped it up nicely to give it some nice color and flavor. The tomatoes, I just diced it up into little chunks like this. And I also had basil from my garden. So I'm going to put together this with the chana. First of all, I am heating my skillet to see it's already heating. I'm going to add in the olive oil, followed by my celery, some chana. Add in a little bit of salt, here I have some seasoning. It's just basically parsley, a little garlic in it. I also would like to use a little bit of chili powder. And from there I'm going to put in my tomatoes. Add in some of my kale. The kale will kind of wilter, so you can add in a good little handful or two in there. And then just give it a stir. You can add in some black pepper, more seasoning, perhaps some more sea salt, some more olive oil for it. So I hope this dish inspires you to go into your pantry, pull out whatever tin of beans you have, whatever fresh ingredients you have, and create a simple and nutritious dish like this.
Home Sweet Home comes to you courtesy Dairy, the Milky Milk.